gonna take this gateway ML3109 apart to change the CPU. You need a Phillips screwdriver and you need a flat. And I'm also gonna be using tape, but I'm gonna explain it later. First, you have to remove the battery. There you go. Then you have to unscrew all the screws you see over here, except here. So first we're gonna take the RAM for safety reasons. Then you have to unscrew the hard drive. Now you have to pull. Now we're gonna unscrew all the screws. Now I'm going to use the tape. Tape all the holes so I don't lose the screws. Because there's too many screws to remember and they're all different length. So it might be a mess later, so it's better to just tape it and there is no problem later. Okay, now we flip it. Go. All the way. Now we're gonna use the small flat screwdriver. Go side over here. There we go, see, snap. Another side. keyboard. There we go. Disconnect over here. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Now we have screws over here, and over here. We're gonna screw those. And we're gonna tape them. Now you have two screws over here and two screws over here. It's going to screw those. That holds the screen. Okay. Make sure you don't lose them. Okay. Then we disconnect the screen over here. Right here. Just try to play it. Go. Now you can lift the screen carefully and break it. Okay, there you go. See, I'll put this over here. Okay, there you go. Screen is out. Now we lift this. But first we got two screws over here. Tape. I have to undo the mouse.